Namaste. This is the class of Human Anatomy and Physiology. So today we will study the detailed about the endomembrane system and about the endoplasmic reticulum. As in previous classes we have covered what are organelles, what is cell, how cell function, and what is the composition of cell. So let's start from the topic of endoplasmic reticulum. A set of three major organelles together form a system within the cell called the endomembrane system. These organelles work together to perform various cellular jobs, including the task of producing, packaging, and exporting certain cellular products. The organelles of the endomembrane system include the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and vessels. So, endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, we can shortly call it as ER, is a system of channel that is continuous with the nuclear membrane or envelope, covering the nucleus and composed of the same lipid bilayer material. The ER can be thought as a series of winding together pairs similar to the waterway canal in Venice. The ER provides passage throughout much of the cell that function in transporting, synthesizing, and storing material. The winding structure of the ER result in a large membranous surface area that supports its many functions. So you can see in the picture the ER has a windy like structure, zigzag structure. You can see here इसमें layers होते हैं because जितने ज़्यादा लेयर होंगे उससे उतना ज़्यादा सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज़ हो सकता है, ठीक है। और हमारा सेल बहुत छोटा होता है, हमें एक ऐसी पैकेजिंग चाहिए जहाँ पे हम ज़्यादा एरिया भी कवर ना करें और हम ज़्यादा काम भी कर सकें। तो ER इज़ दैट एग्जाम्पल. इट हैज़ अ लार्ज membrane in zigzag manner, so it cover a small area but have a large surface. Next is endoplasmic reticulum can be exit in the two form, rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic. These two type of ER perform some very different function and can be found in very different amount depending on the type of the cell. Rough ER is so called because its membrane is dotted with embedded granules, organelles called ribosomes, giving the rough endoplasmic reticulum a bumpy appearance. A ribosome is an organelle that serves as the site of protein synthesis. It is composed of two ribosomal RNA subunits that wrap around the mRNA to start the process of translation, followed by protein synthesis. Smooth ER lack these ribosomes. One of the main function of smooth ER is the synthesis of lipid. So our smooth ER, SER, is used in the synthesis of lipid. The smooth ER synthesizes phospholipid, the main compound of biological membrane, as well as thyroid hormone. For this reason, cells that produce a large quantity of such hormones, such as those of the female ovaries and male testes, contain large amount of smooth ER. In addition to lipid synthesis, the smooth ER also store and regulate the concentration of cellular calcium, a function extremely important in the cell of the nervous system, where the calcium is the trigger of the neurotransmitter release. The smooth ER additionally metabolize some carbohydrate and perform a detoxification role breaking down certain toxic. In contrast with the smooth ER, the primary job of rough ER is the synthesis and modification of protein destined for the cell membrane or for export from the cell. For this protein synthesis, many ribosomal attached to the ER before it is transported within a vessels to the next stage in the packaging and slipping process. So here we have completed the ER. ER in short, let's revise. ER is of two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. We have completed the function and role of the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Hope you will like this video, and thank you.